Hello, good morning, guys. I hope you are doing well. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's motivate me to create very helpful video for you. Okay, let's start. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to convert small text to upper text and upper text to small text shortcut key. Okay, so here I have written two conditions. I hope you also written this type of condition in your project. So first we will see this condition. So here what I'm doing, I'm converting the user first name to the and here I'm passing the username in small case to show you the shortcut key. Okay, so this should be in uppercase, right? Because I'm checking here in uppercase. So to convert this text into the uppercase, we have shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift U. When I click on this, it will convert our small text to uppercase. Okay, so I'm writing here Ctrl plus Shift plus U. Okay, so this is the first shortcut key. Let's move to the second condition. Here what I'm doing, here I'm converting the user last name to the lower text, and I'm checking that username should be in uh, small case, but here I have written into the uppercase to show you the shortcut key. So to convert this text into the small case, we have shortcut key Ctrl plus U. Okay, so I am writing here Ctrl plus U. These are two shortcut keys. Okay, so you will think why you need this shortcut keys. Okay, so this is the small text. Okay, and only two condition. But when you develop any project now, you will find many words. Okay, many words like this. Long string you will find. So if you manually type that string, it will consume your time. Okay, so to save your time, we are using this shortcut key. Okay, if you find this video very helpful, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.